welcome back to Drawing Dexterity. Today I'm drawing Blossom from Powerpuff Girls. She's the leader of Trio and known for her intelligence and bravery. So let's get started. Let's start with her head because I really want to make her cute little face. So we're gonna start from here and make a circle. So you guys probably know how Powerpuff Girls look like, and their head is not that big, and I'm drawing it so big, but I'm drawing it in a different type of form. I'm not making the exact same picture, but I'm making it like a big girl, like she's grown up. So let's make the face, and you guys know how I'm making my Powerpuff Girl. I love Blossom because she's pink, and I also like my Melody because she's pink. They are both so cute. And if you guys like Blossom too, hit the subscribe button, and if you guys like my Melody, hit the subscribe button as well. And if you like, there's more characters in Powerpuff Girls. I don't remember the name, but if you guys want me to make them, there's always a comment section to comment down below what characters you want me to make. So I'm drawing her mask. When I was small, I used to call mask Max, yes. Now I'm like, mask. It's mask. And that was quite funny. And that's her mask. Okay, now let's draw her baby haircut. She has, I don't know, Dora haircut. I love this type of haircut. I used to have it a long time ago, but now my mom don't allow me because I don't know. It kind of disturbs me a lot when I do my homework and stuff. Okay, now let's draw her body, and then we're gonna continue on her hair, which is the best part. I really like that she has long hair. It just looks so cute. Okay, and now I'm drawing her dress. And now we gotta color in this. I'm gonna color it later. So first let's make her dress. We're gonna keep making her dress though. Oh my goodness, this looks like I would actually dress her up. Yeah. Okay, little Powerpuff Girl, let's make you have your shoes. And I'm going to draw them on you. There we go. And that's your one shoe. Let's make your second one. I have to make this fast. Super duper easy. Oh my goodness, it's so adorable. Now let's put on some socks on you. Done. They were fast. Wait, actually I would put socks on you first and then the shoes, but I think I did the opposite. Okay, now let's color in that line of your dress. Okay. You have a very, very pretty dress. It's so cute. I really like it. Now let's draw her hand. Let's draw her second hand and complete it. Then we're going to draw the best part, her hair. It's so beautiful. I used to watch Powerpuff Girls a long time ago. But now I don't. I don't know why, but now I just don't watch Powerpuff Girls. Now it's time to make her long, curly hair from the bottom, and also pretty. She is definitely the prettiest in Powerpuff Girls. Oh my goodness, her hair from this side, it looks like it's flying. I would fly on that, actually. It's so cute. Now let's make her bun. And first let's draw her ears. I forgot. I was about to make human ears first. I was like, oh, she has human ears, but that wouldn't actually suit on her. And I was like, oh my goodness, she has cat ears. I remember, I'm so dumb. Okay, so let's make her bun. I'm actually forgetting how to draw Powerpuff Girls. I don't really remember, but that's how it looks like. And our Powerpuff Girl is completed. If you want me to draw more characters like this one, hit the subscribe button and also comment down below for more cute tutorials. Thanks for watching my videos. See you again. Bye.